Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how I made this snowman cake topper. To make it I used white modelling paste, purple modelling paste, blue modelling paste, small amounts of brown, orange and pink modelling paste, and I used 2 black sugar pearls for the eyes. Start by making the disc that you will build your snowman on. It's a good idea to leave this to dry so you don't damage it when you build your snowman. To make the snowman's body, form a small piece of white modelling paste into an oval shape. Then use the same circular cutter that you made the disc with to cut off the bottom part. Stick this onto your blue disc and then make a dent in the top for where the head will go. Make the head by forming a small piece of white modelling paste into an oval shape. You want it to be slightly narrower than the body, but thicker. Use the smaller end of a ball tool to make indents for the eyes and nose, and then the scallop end of a scallop and comb tool to mark the mouth. Add the sugar pearls to the eyes. To make the hat, form a small piece of purple modelling paste into a banana shape and then stick it on top of the head. Texture the hat by using the knife end of a knife inscriber tool. Add a small ball of purple modelling paste for the hat's bobble and texture with a ball tool. To make the bottom of the hat, roll a small piece of purple modelling paste into a tube, flatten it slightly, make sure it's of correct width and then texture with the knife tool again. Make the scarf by cutting purple strips of modelling paste to size. Make tassels with a knife and texture with the knife inscriber tool. Form 2 tiny tubes of brown modelling paste for the arms. Ensure they're the same length and then stick them onto the disc. Flatten the ends slightly. Make the gloves by forming 2 tiny flat tear shapes of purple modelling paste. And then cut a small V out to create the thumb. Stick a teeny tiny ball of modelling paste onto each eye, and then form a small cone of orange modelling paste for the nose. Stick 2 tiny balls of pink modelling paste onto the chest for buttons, flatten with a ball tool, and then mark holes with a scriber needle tool. Add blush to the cheeks with some edible dust, and mark red in the mouth with an edible pen. You could also texture the gloves with a knife and scriber tool, although this is best done when you first make the gloves. I finished this topper with some white sugar pearls for snow and a pretty snowflake.